So today I'm talking mostly on your part and how big of a difference the part that you choose makes. So you can have whichever part you want, but the biggest key to that is blow drying your hair before you decide which part you're gonna go with. Why? Because it creates more volume. So today I'm gonna show you how I blow dry my hair that makes the biggest difference. Okay, comes down to pretty simple, easy. It's how you blow dry your hair, and I strongly recommend using these. When I just do this, way high chance of me getting big giant knots in my hair. So I love using these, but this is a key tool that a lot of us throw out when we get our blow dryers. We don't use it all the time, and you should. Before I get started though, peeps, you have to know that product, wait, I gotta grab it all. Product is importante. Having your hair with the product in it, not just blow drying it product free, that's gonna make a huge difference because that's getting the lift that you want. So I've already put in a thermal care, I've already put in a curly because I'm gonna curl my hair. I've already put in a smoother from Aveda. The curly one is called Be Curly Style Prep from Aveda. I've already put in a leave-in conditioner, and now all I have left is this mousse. So you can go in with the mousse all you want on your roots. Oops, all on your roots. You can really get it in there. You can put it in the palms of your hand. Whatever you need to do it. However you want to do it. You can put it in the palm of your hand, just don't overdo it. But we're not just putting it, my blow dryer just fell on the ground. We're not just putting it here on top. That's what's important too. You gotta get your product in your hair, okay? You gotta get it in there. So getting it in the hair is so important. Getting it in the roots. Just try not to have a ton of movement and friction in your roots because they're gentle. You gotta treat them with love, okay? Key to this too is blow dry it upside down. Blow dry it sideways. Blow dry it the other side. Flip it around everywhere. Don't just set, I have a hair in my eyeball. Don't just set it how you always do it all the time. Put your part in, go do it. Get your hair moving. That is key. We got all our products before taken care of. Now, you can have as little or as much as you want. Having key things you need to figure out for your hair is super important. I have like medium fine hair, and since my hair, I usually go over to this side, it gets, you know, the side that you have more hair on, it's gonna get heavier. So making sure you get good product for that too. Especially medium fine hair tends to just wanna go blah really easy because it is so fine. So I gotta wake it up. I gotta get it dirty. The key is get the sucker dirty. One thing that I'm a huge fan of that I didn't put in my hair today, but huge fan of it, sea salt spray. You wanna get product in your hair, you wanna not even blow dry it, just have, let it air dry. Sea salt spray is awesome to help just add that grit to it, that texture to it, so that the next day when you do your hair, you have product in your hair. I love it. I love sea salt spray, big time, especially if you want beach waves. I have got the product that I'm going to use. Just ignore that lady up there because I really don't care about her. She's gonna be covered up. The joys. But you have to figure out then which part you want. It's good to always let your hair kind of change things up and to not always go in the exact same pattern all the time. And I like to do that too because then I know that I'm gonna get different volume for the day just by changing my part. So you see that? So if I go over here, my hair's used to being like this, but if I wanna change it up for the day, see? Yep, look at that volume that I didn't have before that I have now. So changing up that part is huge. Getting your hair dirty with a dry shampoo, getting powders in it, getting texture paste in it, that's gonna help your hair immensely with getting that volume that you are looking for. Okay, so I'm gonna get it dirty really fast. I'm just putting in a dry shampoo. So figuring out which part you want. So today I'm gonna go curly. I have fresh, nice roots, so I'm probably gonna part it more down the middle. Here is a tip for you. If you are parting your hair down the middle, let's say you do that on day 1, so your hair is not oily, greasy at all. Here's an awesome trick for you. If you do not have time to wash your hair, the day that you really truly need to, just change your part. By moving your part over to the side, hides the grease. It is the coolest thing ever. So the days you're getting greasy, don't part your hair down the middle anymore. Move the sucker over and you're good to go. Best trick ever! Okay, you guys, I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm gonna come back at you with curly hair. You'll see it really quick like. And yeah, that's my parts for the day too. If you want to part down the middle, do it. But just see how I have more volume and it's much easier now too. So adding that in that killer last final product, I can, you guys, my parts never look down the middle because I have a sideways vampire head. Oh my gosh. That's all I can call them because that's all I think of. Anyways, I got one of those, but she ain't centered in the center of my head. So yeah, so my center parts never look centered. But if you wanna do a center part, you have the more volume on day 1, and then as your days, you feel like your hair isn't as poofy, you can just play with your parts the next day and it's gonna wake it up. It's golden. I don't know if you ever thought of moving your part around, but do it. And I would love to know how it has worked for you by just moving your part around. This might take a while because this lady, she's about ready to bite the dust. Like she's going down. I'm going down. I'm yelling timber. Okay peeps, I'm back. I got my hair all curled up. So I'm just gonna get my product in it. Everything's with the fingers. Using my fingers to kind of mess it up a bit. Then there you have it. And I can either throw on these turquoise earrings or throw on my little leather earrings. Either way, I've got unset. Oh, people always ask to see the back of the hair. Shaved underneath, back of the hair. There she goes. You choose which one, right, left? Anyways, you guys, hopefully those tips and tricks helped you with knowing how to get more volume in your hair, poof your hair, part your hair. Okay, you guys, over now. Have a good one. See ya. Bye.